upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for making the right purchase decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two drones that are battling it out for aerial supremacy. On the left, we have the Holystone HS720, and on the right, the IDEA brushless motor drone. Buckle up because it's going to be a high-flying, hilarious, and possibly controversial ride. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty and see which drone deserves to be your new wingman. First up, the almighty dollar. The Holystone HS720 will set you back a cool $249. On the other hand, the IDEA brushless motor drone is a bargain at just $89. That's like comparing a gourmet steak to a fast food burger. But hey, sometimes a burger hits the spot, right? Next, let's talk about those cameras. The Holystone boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization that'll make your Instagram followers swoon. Meanwhile, IDEA's drone also flaunts a 4K camera, but with a Sony sensor and a 90 degrees field of view. Plus, it has 5 GHz FPV real-time transmission. So basically, both drones can make you look like a professional photographer, but with Holystone, you get the added bonus of not needing a gimbal to keep your shots steady. It's like having a personal assistant who never complains. Now, let's see what these bad boys can do in the sky. Holystone comes with GPS-assisted flight, which means it's practically impossible to lose. It'll come back to you like a loyal dog when the battery is low, or you hit the panic button. IDEA, on the other hand, has 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, which is perfect for those of us who have a knack for flying into trees. It also has a max speed of 40 kilometers per hour, so if you're looking for a drone that can keep up with your fast and furious lifestyle, IDEA might be your new best friend. It's like having a drone with a sixth sense. And no, it won't see dead people, just trees and walls. Battery life is a make-or-break feature, am I right? Holystone gives you 26 minutes per battery, and it comes with 2, so that's a grand total of 52 minutes. IDEA's drone offers 20 minutes in total with its 2 batteries. That's like comparing a Netflix binge to a quick YouTube session. So if you want more airtime to capture those epic sunsets, Holystone has got your back. But if you're just looking for a quick thrill, IDEA will still get the job done. Finally, let's talk about user experience. Holystone is packed with features like optical flow positioning, one-key start-stop, and even an electric fence to keep it in check. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of drones. IDEA isn't far behind with headless mode, gesture control, and 360-degree flip capabilities. Plus, it's foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it super portable. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, both drones have features that'll make you feel like a kid in a candy store. Based on Amazon reviews, the Holystone HS720 is praised for its solid construction, ease of use, and excellent customer service. However, some users noted minor issues like the placement of the phone holder. On the other hand, the IDEA brushless motor drone is recommended for beginners due to its stability and ease of setup, though some users reported issues with durability and control. Both drones offer great features, but the Holystone is seen as more reliable overall, while the IDEA is appreciated for its affordability and beginner-friendly features. And there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS720 and the IDEA brushless motor drone have both shown their strengths and quirks. If you've got the cash to splash and want those extra features, Holystone is your go-to. But if you're balling on a budget and still want to capture some epic aerial shots, IDEA has got your back. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd fly high with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart episode. Until next time, fly safe and buy smart. Waving bye, smart shoppers. Product links are in the description.